Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use the link building tool. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Semrush, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. The link building tool here in Semrush is a powerful resource for improving your website's backlink profile and overall SEO. It's located here in the left side panel of your dashboard where you click the link building tool right here. But the thing is, I highly suggest before you use the link building tool, you might want to explore first the backlink gap. Why? Because they work both hand in hand. All right, because in this section, first you need to know is that it is a feature that will allow you to compare your websites or the other competitors' backlink profile with yours or with the competitors. All right, so this backlink gap will help you identify opportunities to acquire backlinks from domains that link to your competitors but not to you. So later on, as we explore backlink gap, after we're done with it, we're gonna use link building tool after we identify and analyze and close the gap in our backlink strategy or your backlink strategy and strengthen your site's SEO performance. So I highly suggest before you click the link building tool, I suggest you click the backlink gap. Now in this section, if you just add your domain here, any website. For example, you have your own website or your own domain, just type it in. All right, so I don't have any specific website in mind. So let's say for this instance, now for example, I'm gonna just use the brevo.com. You press enter. Now in this second search bar, you might want to add the competitors. Press at least one competitor. Now for Brevo, that's gonna be like, I'm just gonna use the suggestions from Semrush. All right, send it blue, maybe get response and active campaign. Now the reason we're doing this is that we are going to compare our backlink profile with the competitor. For example, this is your domain, the brevo.com. So we wanted to make sure that we are gonna spend, say for example, our resources like a budget to get the backlinks for these websites that is competitor with the brevo.com, if this is your website or your domain. All right, after that, and maybe last probably semrush.com. I'm not right. Let's use semrush.com. Now, in this instance, once I click the find prospects, we're going to be able to see if we can get some backlinks from these websites that we have chosen. So just wait for a little bit. It takes a little while. So once you have done that, as you can see, now these sections are kind of like confusing, right? Don't worry, because I'm going to guide you in here. Click the chart. This is a very important step when you click the backlink gap, because from here you would see the lines represent how well they compete with with each other right here. So the authority score, the highest that you can get is 100. So the plateau is kind of like they're about like the same, apart from Semrush, because as you can see, Semrush is like 86, which is very high and optimal, obviously, because Semrush is a platform for SEO and a lot more. So you see, from this information, what we can do now is in the next section, which is the referring domains, you can see how much are these websites investing to the backlinks for their domains in the last 12 months. You see that? Basically, Semrush is it's a different level. Now, knowing all of these, now after knowing this, you might want to go down to the prospects for brevo.com. For example, this is your domain, right? You see, there is a number here. This shows that what backlinks the competitors have that we don't. Because on Brevo, you see, Since, for example, this is our domain, right? We don't have any backlinks to these massive domain, but other competitors has, like, for example, GetResponse has 42 backlinks from t.me, and active campaign is like 8, and we don't have it. All right, so the first thing we need to consider is maybe reach out, make a deal. Hey, we wanted to get some backlinks from your website and a lot and whatnot. So this is a strategy wherein you can utilize and exhaust all means to get backlinks from these websites, because 91 is very high. Remember earlier that there's a comparison for the authority score. 100 is the highest that you can get. 91 is very high up there. Knowing all of these, you can start out reaching, but what I want you to do instead is click the link building tool. This is now where the link building tool comes in. Remember that this is a powerful resource for improving your website's backlink profile and overall SEO. First off is going to be setting up a campaign right here. Now let's enter our domain. For example, I'm going to be using brevo.com. Press enter and start link building. Wait for it to load. Now here. Now you can remove all keywords if you want, but I'm going to press the competitors, and what will happen is you would have all of these added competitors now, and we can now start building for a specific campaign. All right, because Semrush will automatically analyze your domain and suggest targeted keywords. You can add more keywords if you want, relevant to your niche. All right, click the start link building. What will happen is it would be forwarded in this section. Now, analyzing takes a little while. You see that once you've done that, you would be able, all of the grayed out will be clickable. There, it's going to be another option. Just wait for it. A pop-up will appear, and just click the view prospects. Now, so all of the grayed out is now clickable. And from here, you can see all the websites wherein you can get backlinks from, right? Emailing.biz, Amazon.fr, TripAdvisor, sendinblue.com, and a lot more, right? For example, you have decided which website would you like to get backlinks to. For example, emailing.biz. You see there is a section here that says in progress, right? Just click that button. It will go here in the in progress tab. You see this? All right. It says now you selected prospect domains are in your progress list. You have like prospects, in progress, monitor, and about. All right. And again, all of the prospects can be sorted by keywords, competitors, and a lot more. When you go to the in progress, you see you can, matter of fact, use the Semrush tools here to contact the this domain. If you click the add mail, you would be forwarded here. And now you can highly customize this. For example, this template right here. All right. And enter the email for domain owner. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.